Go to the Move tool, select the layer, edit and cut. And then with that shape selected, go to edit and paste inside. You've got a shape, you want to apply effect to the shape. How to do it in Affinity Photo. Go to the Tools panel and select the Ellipse tool or any of the other shapes tool. Create that, and with that you can change the fill colour, and let's just make it green. And then with that you can go to Filters, and then down to Colours and Procedural Texture. In Procedural Texture you can set all kinds of presets. I'm just going to go with Chequered and click Apply. Now that's fine. At this point you'll notice what's happened. It's become a pixel layer. To make it live and much more interesting, you can do it a slightly different way. Same as before, just select a shape. I'm just going to go with the Ellipse tool again. Create that. Then go to Layer and New Layer. Go to Edit and Fill. And then apply black. Click Apply. Then go to Filters. And then down to Colours. And then Procedural Texture again. Inside there, go to the presets and again select Chequered. Click Apply. Go to the Move tool, select the layer, edit and cut. And then with that shape selected, go to edit and paste inside. And you can see now you've still got your ellipse shape, still live, still editable. Also you've got your pixel layer. If you want to move the pixel layer, select the layer here and then click and just move it around, resize it, all those kinds of things. If you want to move the ellipse, simply select that and then reposition that. You notice I've got Lock Children on. That's useful. If I turn it off and then resize this, you can see that means these get smaller. I can resize it, they get bigger. But if you want to keep them the same, make sure you just go for Lock Children Set On, and then you can resize this and it will stay the same size. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.